What's up, everyone? Welcome to Chillin' with Red. This is your boy Red, and as y'all may know already, or by now I should say, this channel consists of product reviews, mukbangs, and vlogs. We have done product reviews on the mukbang, but we have not done a vlog yet, but we getting to it. But today we're doing a mukbang, and it's coming from Subway. You know, I went to Subway, got me a spicy Italian on wheat with a Coke. So I'm gonna say grace. I'm gonna get right into it. Amen. All right. So tell y'all what's going on. But first, let me get a thumbnail. All right. Now, the reason I was excited to say that was because YouTube has allowed me to do custom thumbnails now. So I get to do the thumbnails and it don't be those messed up ones that YouTube picks for you. So I'm excited. Plus, they also let me do a little watermark where I guess it's going to be like the lower right-hand corner of the video. I'm not sure yet. I'll find out once I put it on this video. So the thumbnail and the watermark should all be on this video. If not, I couldn't get it right, and we're going to try to get on the next one. So, but I want to say thank y'all to all y'all that watched the seafood mukbang, however you want to pronounce it, with my daughter. She had a blast, and some of the comments that I received, y'all loved it. She can't wait to do it again. I had a bunch of people tell me, make sure I tag B-Love in it. I did it. Hopefully she'll see it. We'll never know unless she comments. But I did start up the Instagram page, and I've been uploading all the videos that's on YouTube to Instagram with the links as well as certain tags. So if she doesn't see it on YouTube, she may see it on Instagram. Excuse me. So hopefully one way or another she'll be able to see it, and we're going to keep them things pushing. Because there's going to be a couple more videos I do with her sauce. So we going to get it right, and I can't wait for the sauce to come out. So it'll be easier to make, and hopefully it tastes just as good, if not better than the way I made it. But I haven't had any complaints yet. But how y'all doing? And before I forget, I know Mother's Day was yesterday, so happy Mother's Day to everybody. I hope y'all had fun. Hope that everybody took y'all out. Y'all relaxed, did what happened, or didn't do certain things that y'all would normally do because everybody else in the house decided to do it for you so you can rest. I hope you enjoyed your Mother's Day. But let me know what y'all did. Put it in the comments. Let me know what y'all did for Mother's Day, how y'all celebrated, where y'all go. Your family decided to cook for you. If you got some gifts, you know, I'd love to find out what y'all got, you know. I also got some jalapeno chips. We didn't do too much here in the Red household. My girlfriend, she went on a Mother's Day vacation, you know, a getaway, which was much needed for her. So she'll be back. She'll be back later on today. So I can't wait to see how she relaxed and the picture she took. So everything is good. tell you about the lady that made my sandwich. The chick made, like I said, it was a spicy Italian on wheat, and she was nice, you know, respectable and everything, but she was trying to do multiple orders at once. Now I know in Subway you're supposed to get as many base orders as you can while you're working on the first one you did, but she was only doing the second one and got ready to make it and then put my meat on the bread. I looked at her, I said, ma'am, is the spicy Italian supposed to look like that? She said, no, not at all. I forgot to put the stuff. I got it. I am so sorry. I said, it's cool. I understand. So we got it right. I mean, it don't taste bad. It don't taste bad, and, you know. It's definitely not one of the worst I've had up there. I had some up there. Some days I'd be like, man, I'm glad I wasn't recording when I ate this because I hate to call these people out. But it was all good. Like I said, this was pretty good. But yeah, I know, like I said, Mother's Day was yesterday. So you know what comes right after that. Kids get out of school. So what y'all got planned for the summer? Let me know what y'all got planned. Y'all just staying in the house? Y'all taking family vacations? Where? There's somewhere y'all go. But where y'all going? Because my family, we supposed to be going on our first family vacation in July. And we're going to Mississippi. And it's just a family thing. We just going to see. It's just a giant family get together. I'm not gonna quite say a family reunion, but with that you never know. But I will be recording it. So that's gonna be a vlog series. So be prepared for it. Because once you get that side of my family together, oh, anything can happen. And it's hilarious. So just let me know where y'all normally go, what y'all do, stuff like that. Because the whole family vacations and stuff is new to me. I'm always working. So never had the opportunity to actually just take a week or so and go out and enjoy any place else but the city I'm in. So it's new for us. I can't wait. I'm excited because where we're going in Mississippi is where my father's from. And I've never been there, so I don't know how the land look or nothing like that, but everybody told me I need to go because I'm actually pretty close to it from what I heard. I googled it. I'm about 3 hours away, so I'm really excited, looking forward to that. So I can't wait. Um, Excuse me, but I know some of y'all like to take y'all kids to amusement parks and stuff like that. Where y'all go? Where y'all go? Where do y'all go? You know, what do y'all do? Stuff. I mean, is it reasonably priced? Because it's 6 of us, and it's expensive. So I mean, I wanna. Well, I've never been to Disney World or Disneyland, but I heard that's just crazy expensive. And I'm not trying to break the bank so the family can have a good time. Because if that's the case, I could go get some garbage bags with some dishwashing liquid, throw some soap and water on them, call that a slip and slide, do some barbecue and some firecrackers, and we'll have a ball. But let me know. Because I could be wrong, but I heard it's really expensive. Um, I also got graduations and proms and stuff. I think prom season just ended. Maybe. It may be going on for another week or so. Like in the Midwest, somewhere like that. But my kids got one more week of school. They get out on the 21st of May. So prom season over. The high school and college kids are graduating right now. So, but y'all pictures are amazing. I've been seeing the pictures on Facebook. Y'all doing whole photo shoots like professional. Some of them crazy. I mean, they're beautiful. They're just crazy. I never would have thought to do some stuff that y'all doing. But hey, that's what happened when the time changed, man. Y'all get in there and start showing out. Let's just keep that momentum going. You know, y'all is going to college. Keep that momentum going. Knock it out. Because we need more educated people. And when I say that, I'm not downing certain people. But there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. You know, I've seen people on my Facebook timeline graduating with their doctorates and their masters and bachelors. They go on and do their thing. But it's a lot that can be done. It's a lot that we need to be doing. So just keep the momentum going that y'all doing with these prom pictures and roll it through. You know, with these graduation pictures. Man. Y'all gotta forgive me. I be wanting to cover my mouth while I'm talking to y'all because I'm not used to eating and talking to somebody. Because when I talk to somebody in person and I'm eating, I normally cover my mouth like this. That way, they won't see what I'm eating. They won't see food. If it fly out, whatnot. But y'all bear with me. The more I do this, the better I'm gonna be. This Subway hit the spot. Look, y'all. Man, you ever had a sip of a drink that was so good you had to think about putting it down? Oh man. But look, with the times on my videos, I'm still gauging them. I'm still playing around and working with them. I want to do 15, 20 minutes. This is already at 20, 21 right now. Maybe a little bit less once I edit it. But I'm trying to get it to where, ooh, pardon me. I want to get it to where y'all have a consistent time. Because I don't want to bore y'all. Excuse me. I don't want to bore y'all and nothing like that. So I'm not going to do like constantly do 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Maybe with the foods, maybe a little bit longer. Like the one with my daughter, if y'all haven't seen it, it's an hour long. Not because it cut off and we did it again. And when I was getting ready to wrap it up, she got out her shyness and started talking even more. So I didn't want to just cut her off because I wanted her to enjoy herself. But we're gonna gauge the times and we're gonna get it right. We're gonna do product reviews probably about 10, 15 minutes, no more than 15. Mukbangs, no more than about 20, 25. Vlogs, that may be 30, maybe 35, 40, 45. It just depends on the story and how we get the thing going. Because some of the stories are going to be good, funny, ridiculous. Like, I got to tell y'all about the time I met Big Daddy Kane. That was hilarious. I told somebody in my job about it. He was like, "Oh, Red, you have to tell them that story because that's ridiculous." I'm like, "I know. Some of the stuff I've been through, you can't make up at all." But we're gonna wrap it up right here.